It's no shocker that Google's already cooking up the Pixel Watch 4, but thanks to some fresh new leaks, we've got a sneak peek at a few small, but potentially game-changing, tweaks that could make this one stand out from the rest of the pack. Yep, we've got leaked renders, and they give us a pretty detailed look at the upcoming watch. And while the design still screams Pixel Watch, there are some interesting things going on here. So first off, let's talk design. Google clearly isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. Again, we've got that familiar circular shape with a rounded display. It's not winning any awards for being the thinnest smartwatch out there, but it still looks comfy and clean on the wrist. Nothing crazy, but hey, if it ain't broke, right? Now onto the juicy stuff, the Pixel Watch 4 renders. Shout out to 91 Mobiles and OnLeaks for those. At first glance, it looks pretty much the same, but zoom in a little and you'll notice a thinner bezel. Nice touch. On the flip side, it's apparently a bit thicker than last year's model, coming in at 14.3mm. That's a chunky upgrade, and honestly, it probably has something to do with the battery. Thicker battery, longer life. Fingers crossed. We don't know yet if Google's planning two size options again, maybe a 41mm and 45mm combo. The renders don't give us much to go on there, so we'll have to wait and see how bulky this thing really is. Flip it over and you'll spot some changes on the underside too. The sensor setup looks mostly the same, but one thing's definitely missing, the charging pins. If you remember, Google added those in the Pixel Watch 2 and 3. So what's going on here? Could we finally be getting contactless charging? Maybe even support for reverse wireless charging? That'd be huge. Though sadly, no signs of classic Qi charging just yet. Now here's where things get a little weirder, the speaker area. It looks like there are two little bumpers or nubs on either side. What are those? Buttons, protective padding, secret ECG sensors, who knows? If they are health sensors, the placement's a bit odd, especially if Google's taking notes from Samsung's Galaxy Watch series. Either way, it's something to keep an eye on. As for colors, don't worry, black's probably not the only option. Google usually drops a few slick metal finishes when the time comes. If we're playing the guessing game, the Pixel Watch 4 should make its debut around August or September, most likely at the Made by Google 2025 event. So what do you think of these new renders? Are you hyped or just kinda bored about it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay techie.